Look at that. That one's even prettier than the last one. Well, that looks plenty good.
Yeah, it's alright, I think.
Alright, I'll take that. Even a blind squirrel finds a nut now and then. Look at that, it looks almost like we know what we were doing. I don't know that I'm really all that committed to that we know what we're doing, but
Just got to do the other one now.
yeah, only 3 more.
Huh?
Only 3 more. That one only took a half an hour. There it is.
Well, you got to have 2 the same, 4 the same size.
Yep. I'm gonna put you guys up here, show you how we set these up. Pure redneck engineering here. Because this land is so small, that's all we're getting to bite on the jaws of the lathe. And it's very difficult to get everything straight and flat. So I take this washer right here, and I stick that washer on there, and then I pull the fitting up against it, and we give it the old rub test. And it's pretty close. That runout that you see is the runout in the actual spindle, because this lathe is how old do you think this lathe is? I don't even know when this one was built.
Oh, it's probably 60 years old, 50 years old.
It's almost as old as Pop. Tool's still sharp.
Those are good bits. I mean, they're good carbide bits.
Yeah, we're cutting stainless with them, so we're giving them the onion for sure. So we'll roll it back out here, because we roll all the way the other direction to get that pipe in there to test it.
This one shouldn't take us long.
Well, yeah, I won't have to figure the stinking bit out 3 times.
You won't have to refigure the tooling on it. It should cut.
All right, let's see what we got. Says we're 3.5 thousandths to the good. What the heck, we might as well take it out and try it, right? Let's see if we got her. Like a glove. Look at that. That one's even prettier than the last one.
Well, you're cutting both directions, so you're cleaning coming out.
And I left a better edge because I chose a stop spot and just stopped there.
Yeah, and you're cutting both directions now, so.
Well, there's 2 of the 4. We can make one whole pipe. We're not going to bore you with the rest of this. Throw the other couple in here, and we'll get back to you in a bit. Alright, here's where we're at. We got all 4 of these guys machined out. We'll do a little deburr work on them. That'll give us a start spot. We'll weld one of these on and our next trip out to the shop, and then we will be figuring out lengths of fuel line and what we're going to do with that guy there. We just got told that it is time to go have some food, so we're going to get on out of the shop for tonight. Hey, welcome back to the shop. No hat today. Weird, huh? So today we are going to make an attempt to weld on our -16 stainless fittings to our -16 stainless tube. So we will see how that goes. Semi-confident, 95%, 94.35% that we'll be able to get this all knocked out. If for some reason that tube is junk or gunky or something like that, we can silver solder those on. It's not a big deal, it's be fine. But we're gonna get onto that. We're gonna get welders set up here and get things moving, and we'll be right back with you. That camera didn't like us today. So the saga of the GoPro continues. We keep getting things crapped out. Our main camera's over there and it doesn't want to work. But this ain't beautiful, but it'll be all right. So we got some weld in there. Not a super good TIG guy. I'm getting better, but it's about hours and hours and hours of practice with a TIG machine, and I just don't spend that much time with a TIG machine. So we'll do better, I promise. But we got both tubes built. See that one way over there? This one here. Both tubes are built for the underside of the car. I think we're gonna do some redneck in here. We're gonna take some plumber's tape and we're gonna use plumber's tape to hang these because Phil wants to make some really cool billet aluminum bracket hangers for them. And let's show you what we're gonna have to do. This is some right now craziness. You get under there. Okay. So if you see these tracks that run the length of the car right here, those things run all the way down the car. And so there's one on each side. And it looks like if we tuck those there tubes up in there, we can poke them out the back over here, run our lines up and get to our water fittings there, and then we could come in here and go right on either side of the rack and get in there to poke through that bottom piece here so that we can get our coolant lines into the inside of the car. At least that's the theory that I'm headed here with, because this is fuel tank area. That doesn't help us any. That's my theory and I'm sticking with it. So that's what we're gonna try. I don't know whether it's gonna work or not, but we got two big stainless steel tubes built, so something's gonna have to work, right? That one's still hot on that end?
No, it's cooled off.
Bet you that end's hot. Yep,
Yeah,
it's
still
hot.
got smoke on it.
Smoky finger. We're gonna let these things cool down and we'll be back with you in a bit. I know it wasn't much to look at tonight, but it was about, what, hour and a half, 2 hours worth of fitting and welding. We are going to call it a night. It's rolling up on 7:30 and we're gonna go have some dinner. We're gonna get on out of here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you on the next one.